Good morning, children. In today's GK class, we have very interesting topic for you. The topic name is Puppetry in India. Children, all you know about this topic is that in modern times we use hand gloves, but when we look into our ancient time, people used to use different kind of puppets to narrate a story. Here, this topic, which is there on your page number 62 and 63. So let's begin this topic. So first come, what is puppet and what is puppetry? Children, puppetry has an old tradition in India. There are four major types of puppetry which is to be followed here in India. First one, string puppet. Second, shadow puppet. Third, rod puppet. Fourth, gloves puppet. Let's discuss all four major types one by one. Children, here you may find beautiful puppets set up on a show, and here these puppets are controlled with the help of strings. So story narrator hold all the string and narrate the story beautifully with the help of these strings. So the balance has to be maintained while holding this kind of string. Now name this. This is string puppet. Next, children, here you will see a few characters. Here, what is done? Puppet is not used. Puppet is used actually to show the shadow, and such kind of puppet show is called as shadow puppet show. So, in ancient times, the story of Mahabharata and such characters, people use such kind of wooden stick, and with the help of light, shadow is depicted on the walls, and with the help of the movement of the puppet, the whole story is narrated. It is all on shadow reflected on the wall. That is why it is called a shadow puppet. Now coming to the next one. Here again you will find some puppets, but it is named differently. What is this? Rod puppets. It is a figure operated from beneath, which means under the wooden or metal rod. That is why it is called as rod puppet. Now here, children, the last type. Again, beautiful puppets. These are operated by hands. We can wear it like gloves. That is why it is called as glove puppet. Now, children, coming to the types where these puppets, in which state they were used. So, we are going to discuss one by one. Now, first of all, I want you to see this beautiful puppet picture. This kind of puppet picture is called as Yampuri, which belongs to Bihar state. Now, children, this is the name of the traditional rod puppets from Bihar. They are made of wood. Wood is used to make such kind of puppet. These puppets are in one piece and have no joints. That is why it requires very high skill to make such kind of puppets, because you can't join them. It is made from single block of wood. So this is Yampuri. Keep on learning the name of the puppet, and along with that, the state, because at the end of this video, you will be marking the state on the map. Now children, here the next one, you can see tall puppets are there. So what are these and to which state they belong to? So this is called Putul Nach. They belong to state West Bengal. So this kind of puppetry comes from West Bengal. The puppets actually about 1 meter in height and tied to the waist of the puppeteer. Children, what do you mean by puppeteer? The one who operates it. That person is called as puppeteer, with a bamboo rod. So the puppeteer hiding behind a full-length curtain move the same way that they want the puppets to move while they sing and deliver dialogues behind the curtain. Now here, Kundli Nata, act you can say, a drama. Here, this form of puppetry has its roots in Odisha state. These puppets have no leg. You will not find any leg in these puppets, and such puppets wear long skirts. These puppets have multiple joints. In the Yampuri one, you have found that no joints were there, but here in Kundli, these kind of puppets, they are having many joints. Why the joints are made? So that it is easy to move. Now if you have seen Kundli, let's move to the next puppet type. Let's see what is that. Bomalata. So this one belongs to Tamil Nadu state. Let's read about this, what it is actually. As you know, its origin is there in Tamil Nadu. So this form of puppetry features the heaviest and biggest puppets among all traditional Indian puppets form. So they are the heaviest one. As you can see here in this picture, the size. They often reach up to 1.5 meter height. This Bomalatam, they are moved with the help of both strings and rod, because as you all know, this is heavy. So rod and strings, both are used for the movement of such kind of puppets. Now coming to the next one, Ravanchaya. So what is this? Chaya, which means shadow. Again, it is under the type of shadow puppet. So this is from Odisha state. Let's talk about this one. This is a form of shadow puppetry which originates in the state Odisha. The puppets are carved. Here wooden blocks are used, children. So it is carved. इसको बनाया गया है. छाया means परछाई. Shadow का effect देने के लिए इसके blocks को carved किया है, so that shadow effect is more prominent. Single block wood is used here. As you can see, there is no joint. कोई भी joint नहीं है. Single wood blocks से इसको बनाया है. They are not colored because color will not show any effect. Only shadow is to be reflected. That is why colored is not used, only use of wooden block. Now here children, they are not colored and hence throw opaque shadow on the block. They are made from deer skin and have dramatic poses. In addition to human and animal characters, many props such as trees, mountains, such kind of puppets are used. So this one is Ravanchaya. Chaya means parchai, shadow. Moving to the next one. Here, Tholu Bomalata. What is this? This is again the kind of puppetry which is followed in India. It is from the state of Andhra Pradesh. So these are large in size again and have joint waist. You can see the hands of these puppets, joints are there. ये जोड़े गए हैं. Okay. So they are large in size, children. They have many joints. It is joined from waist, shoulder, elbow and knees. They are colored on both the sides because front and back side both are used for storytelling. The theme of these puppet shows are taken mostly from episodes in the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So these puppets are designed in such a way that it narrates the story of the characters of Mahabharata and along with that Ramayana, which is the holy book. Now coming to the next activity which is planned for you. Locate following states on political map of India. Children, you are going to use political map only. So you will do this activity in the classroom only. You will find following states on the map and you will mention it. First one, Bihar. Second, West Bengal. Third, Odisha. Fourth, Tamil Nadu. 5, Andhra Pradesh. Now let's see the map. This is India political map. Here, children, you will find 4 cardinal directions. Over here, that is north. Then at the end, you will find south. Then over there, from where the sun rises, you will find east, and where it sets, you will find west. Now, you have to locate number 1 state, that is Bihar. So, it is here. You can see Bihar. Now, the second state which was asked to you in the activity was West Bengal. So, you will show it over here. Now, the third one which was Odisha. So, it is here. Fifth one, we will go to the south direction. But before fifth, we need to do fourth. Fourth is at the south direction, that is Tamil Nadu. And fifth one, which belongs to Andhra Pradesh. So now, children, you will find out its capital also. Okay? And revise all the puppets shown to you. Thank you.